What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today I've got a really special video. We're doing a Temu unboxing, guys. Temu reached out to me, a representative from them anyways, and said, hey, I got a deal for you. I'll give you $120 credit on the website. You go buy anything you want to buy, and then you do a product review and we'll pay you. Also, we'll give your subscribers a discount code, so if they go and download the Temu app, not only will we give them $100 in coupons, but one of your items that you picked, your subscribers can get for only $1. So I had to go on there and I'm like, I gotta pick paint guns out because my subscribers would probably love to have a paint gun for $1. So I picked out some really cool items, and that's what we got here in this box today. No, this box did not come from Temu. I just did this for illustration purposes and to make it interesting. So let me show you what we got first, all the items I picked out, and then we'll get done unboxing them and trying them out and seeing how they are. So anyways, alright, so first item, I got a spray gun. Really cool spray gun. And I got two spray guns. Another spray gun. And I got these spray guns because I wanted you guys to have an affordable option, and these are actually really cool. They're even better, I think, than the Vivor guns I got as far as the designs and the way they look like more expensive guns. And I picked them up for around $40 or $50 each on the website. But like I said, if you use my coupon code, I'll put it somewhere in this vicinity, you can get $100 in coupons, and you can get one of these items for $1. Alright, so last but not least, I got this little box right here. So that's it for the Temu box. So let me open this up, and I'll just kind of go through real quick and show you what I got, and then we'll unbox it. So I got this spray gun. I got this right here. This is a regulator / water separator set. So that's pretty cool. And then the last two items I got are, everybody needs a good hanger for a paint gun. So I got this little hanger right here for a paint gun, and I got the stand-up hanger for a paint gun. And the stand-up hanger for the paint gun is right here. It's mountable, and then it has this little piece that slides over it. So what you can do is set your strainer up top and strain into your paint gun, and it's all in one, so you ain't got to sit there and fumble around with it. So that's an option. You can get that for $1. Like I said, this is a hanger that you actually mount to the wall. Let me unbox this real quick. Yeah, so it's just got two screw holes, and it sits like that, and then you just put your paint gun in it. So that's cool. So that's that. And then this is the pressure regulator filter setup I got. Thought this was kind of cool. It's actually all in one piece, as you can see. And it's got a little dump valve right here, a little check valve so you can drain it or whatever. And it comes with the adapter for a paint gun. And then you got your little regulator. So it's an all-in-one unit. So it's a really, really cool setup. And I think it'll complement these paint guns really well. So let me unbox these real quick, and I'll show you what these paint guns got. Alright guys, so the first of the two paint guns I'm going to check out is the Temu brand paint gun. And it comes in 3 different colors. I opted for the gold, but it also comes in purple and black. And you know me, I wanted to be different. I think the default color was purple, but I got gold just because it pops. I like that the trigger is really smooth on it. Some of the cheaper guns, it has a lot of drag on the trigger. And with the hole design on the tip, it's a 1.3 tip. And it's designed much like, say, your DeVilbiss gun. It has the same kind of layout as far as the disbursement for the head on it. So I'm really digging it. I think it's going to be a great gun. We're going to try it out in a few. I got it in this little stand. This is another option I got on there. And the stand has the little removable thing right here that you can put your filter in and strain your paint. So that's cool. And also it comes with a water separator. It comes with a key adjustment to take it apart. It comes with various little filters and cleaner stuff, and it comes with the little air nozzle adapter. So it's a great option, and it comes with the install instructions for anybody that's new to paint guns. It is an HVLP, so you will need an adequate compressor setup to use it. But all in all, like I said, use that discount code, guys. If you need a cheap paint gun, you can get it for $1, and you can get $100 in what was that? The coupons. I mean, you can't really beat it, right? So, all right, that's the first paint gun, the Shampoo paint gun. So, a big thanks to Temu for sending this one out. Let's unbox this other paint gun and check it out, guys. Alright guys, so this is the second paint gun that you guys can get for $1 off of Temu if you download the app and you get the coupon bundle. This is the Topple Soul brand paint gun. It's got a really cool green to blue fade. It's got a really smooth trigger and a really high-end looking design, much like the Shampoo gun. And all in all, just a great product. One thing I did notice with this, it comes with the same kit pretty much that the Shampoo did, with one exception. It doesn't come with a water air separator, but still a great buy if you decide to upgrade your existing paint gun, or if you just need one right out the gate. It is HVLP 1.3 tip, and so like I said, make sure you have an adequate compressor. So let's mount some of these accessories I got, and let's test these paint guns out, guys, and see what they can do. Alright guys, so excuse my mess. I'm in the middle of painting a truck right now. You guys know which truck that is. Alright, so like I said, this is the one that has the little strainer thing you have up top. I usually keep my other one right here, but this is going to make it much easier. So now I have one I can just mount right here, and then I'll have another one that I can keep off when I'm doing like a spray out or whatever else. So like I said, it has a cool little mount feature right here. So just for demo purposes, I probably won't keep this mounted, but you can put screws in it. There you go. Nice and sturdy, nice and strong. This is removable, which is really nice. And yeah, all in all, a good little product. And you just set your gun in it. Ready to go. Alright guys, so for my second mount, I'm going to go dead ahead right where my other paint guns are. And I'm going to go a little bit lower, but put that in. I think my battery's getting a little low. And take my paint gun. Bam. Easy enough. Alright guys, so I got my gold Shampoo gun here from Temu, loaded up with some Galactic Ghost Violet Pearl from Eye Candy Pigments. As you can see, I got a fender right here. I based it in flat black rustoleum and gloss grape rustoleum, and we're going to put this pearl over top. Then we're going to take it out in the sun and see what we got, and see if this gun is as good as they say. So without further ado, let's lay some coats down and let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. Gloss grape and flat black with a Galactic Ghost Violet Pearl over top of it. Man, this really turned out cool. I had a subscriber that kept asking for a Ghost Violet or Ghost Purple Pearl over black and over purple, and man, this definitely didn't disappoint today. And another thing that didn't disappoint was these brand new paint guns. Man, I love the way this thing feels. I like having the regulator right here opposed to, you know, my setup where I have it mounted on the wall. So it's cool to dial it in on the go. One thing I will say, I was getting air when I didn't pull the trigger at first. So I took the gun apart and cleaned it real good, and that quit. And it's just one of those things, guys. Whenever you get a brand new paint gun, always clean your paint gun before use. It'll help you eliminate a lot of problems from these things being packaged with silicone and oils and everything else to keep them in tip-top shape before you get them when they're stored. And I'm sure this gun right here, this Topasol, works much the same way. They're very, very similar designs, and I think these are just great all-around guns, especially if you're a beginner. And the best part of it all, with my discount code, guys, you can get $100 in coupons from Temu, and you can get a paint gun for $1. So, man, definitely go jump on that, download the app. New users only, and terms and conditions I'm sure apply to certain deals with these paint guns and stuff. But a big shout out to Temu for sending this stuff out, and I hope you guys enjoyed the product review and enjoyed the spray out for today. And yeah, if you made it this far in the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe to WHITLEY Auto Works. We are growing like crazy and doing crazy new spray outs all the time. I'm sure the scenery in this video probably changed a little bit for you guys. I'm doing my truck in my main shop. This is the back section of my shop, so try to clean it up so I can do this in the meantime. That truck video will be out very soon, but in the meantime, I wanted to give you guys some content and shout out to Temu, right? But anyways, guys, I appreciate you for watching today. That's it for me. I'm John from WHITLEY Auto Works. I hope you have a great day. God bless and happy Thanksgiving. I'll see you on the next video.